Hey! Wow. Hi. How are you guys doing today? I'm really excited because I'm gonna play another game. This channel is not becoming a Let's Play channel, I promise. I just got a message though last week from Pete Cooper. And for those of you who don't know Pete, he's a phenomenal Blizzard artist. And well, he worked at Blizzard, has worked with a lot of AAA studios and on a lot of other indie titles, including Neversong, my own indie title. He did the cutscene art and also did the cover art for Pinstripe. So just a phenomenal artist. And he reached out and he said that GO2, and that's this game here, and it's a game by Windy Beard Studios. Basically, they are launching a Kickstarter campaign today. And so if you guys like this game and you think it's worth your support and your money, click the link in the description. And I'm sure it would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to Windy Beard and also Pete Cooper. It's a really fun, addicting game. I've had, I've played probably 20 minutes of it just to get an idea of it. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, this is Kyra, your robotic assistant, and I'm here to help you smoothly transition into the CEO position of your fledgling intergalactic mining company. Before we get started, do you need my assistance? If you would like a little bit of help, you know, I don't need any assistance, Kyra. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I think Pete Cooper did the art for all of the characters. And by the way, Pete, not Pete Cooper, but Pete from Neversong is actually going to be a character in this game. So that is pretty sweet. I'm really, really excited about that. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and build a janitor's closet for 1,000 gold. Sweet, I like that effect. And a locker room for 1,500 gold. Okay, and I think we need to put a crew member in there as well. What's this pink-haired diva here? Let's add her. And yeah, so Pete Cooper did all the illustrations here, they're just great. I love Pete's style. So that looks good. Let's add one more crew member. This buff alpha male here who likes his cigarettes. Let's add him. All right, I love that confetti. It's so funny. Things like that really make a game exciting. Even if it's like confetti, which I don't see how confetti is relevant in any way to space mining, but it rewards the player a little bit and feels good, so I really like that. This is so cool. You can sort of scroll up here. Excuse me. Okay, so let's figure out what we need to do here. I think we've got everything good to go in our headquarters. So let's go ahead and jump to space and explore. Okay, so we've got it kind of reminds me of that Minesweeper game from the 90s. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's enter Quadrant Alpha. I like the sound effects and the music, and this game is definitely a work in progress. There was like a large email sent to me by the creator and also by Pete Cooper saying, Thomas, this is like a super work in progress. So I think it's kind of funny that they mentioned all of that because it feels pretty solid. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see here. We can actually go ahead and drill into this if we want. Let's do it. All right. So if I click here, nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling we're gonna have a little bit of a Minecraft feeling here. Oh man, I love those particle effects. When in doubt, add particle effects to your games, guys. Awesome. So my health is going down, so I assume that we have to be really strategic about where we choose to go. What is this? It's just a beautiful portrait. That's all it is, I think. I love that. So there's various sections we can get to here. Okay. So let's just keep making our way down so we don't want to waste our health here. But at least I've got 376 coins, actually 409 now. What is that? Oh, so there's no sound effect there. But you know, there's no sound in space, right? So it's actually intentional. Okay, so I think that's great. So we got 416 coins or cash. Let's go ahead and drill again. Excuse me. Got a frog in my throat today. So let's keep going down here. Ooh, what do you... Big old coin there. So I think those are like magic crates. Oh, dynamite. Nice. Okay. Oh, more. So yeah, I think you really want to be intentional with where you're going here. I'm so bad at these kind of games. The kind of games that I'm good at, I'm not really good at playing games. I'm decent at making them, but playing them not so much. But these kind of puzzly strategic games, man, I really suck. So please forgive me. Oh, what's down here? Okay. Let's not waste our health. Oh, come on. So I think we actually have to go complete a research project before these areas. I think it's procedurally generated, so some areas don't pop up just yet. All right, let's see, what's this? 20% health, nice. All right. So I wonder how deep you can actually go if you're smart, if you can find health. What is that? Oh, what the heck? Nice. It's like a black hole or something. Oh my goodness. Location level up. New core located. Gravity increased. Depth increased. I love it. Okay, I can see how this could get really addicting really fast. Nice work to, what is it, Windy Beard Studios and Pete Cooper. You guys are doing awesome. Fun game. Remember guys, link in the description. I'm not done playing yet, but link in the description if you like what you see and you want to support this Kickstarter campaign. It launches today, guys, so I'm assuming it's a 30-day campaign, so the clock is ticking. All right, let's go ahead and let's go to the map. I want to explore some. Oh man, this is addicting. This might be a really fun mobile game too. All right. So let's come on. Oh, right click. Okay. So there's some instructions that could definitely be added to this game. Instructions are, especially with these kind of games, I can imagine creating an instructions system is probably the hardest, most time-consuming portion of the game's development. Okay, what is that? Gimme. Oh my goodness, I got some paint. What is that? I don't know. What is this? I want to paint my ship. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to do it. Okay, let's keep exploring here. Crew contract. Let's check the contract here. Okay, Butt Chin Billy here. Well, actually, his name is Mannequin Smooth. You hear a gentle giggling as you go about your business. The giggling gets closer and closer until this dude slides into view. He says nothing and hands you a scrap of toilet paper with the following requirements written on it. So he needs 25 sandstone. He needs some apple pie, of course. Why not? Oh man, he wants a banana. Yeah, he wants 3 bananas actually, and then some rubble. Okay, so Mannequin Smooth. We've got ourselves a contract here, so I think we can actually go and try and fulfill the contract. I believe you do that by mining different planets. So let's just spend all of our money here and explore. It would be nice if when you right click on here, it automatically takes you to the question mark and unlocks it. Okay, click and then right click. What is that? Pfft, dead sites, not worth visiting. Research facility, hey now, let's investigate. Oh, beautiful. That looks a lot like Holonite, I like it. A research station orbiting a nearby moon swings past. You head to it and are greeted by an overexcited robotic voice bellowing out of the speakers. Whatever it is won't let you in, but pushes a slip of paper under the door with some research info on it. Swipe research. Ooh, I got some research. What was it? I want to know. So there's some things here that I'm sure you guys are watching, like Thomas, it's obvious, click that button. I don't know what button to click though. Oh, I want to know what it is. That's okay. Ooh, comet sand shard. Let's drill. I love the background as it slowly appears. It's like this beautiful galaxy. Music's good too. I really like the music. And this is cool. Like up here it says Geo Radio, Lagrange point. So it sort of shows the song that's playing. What is this? It's a cool particle effects. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's a measurement device down here. I haven't seen this over here. And it shows how far you are to, how close you are to the core. I love this. So the planets change. Or the graphics change. It's really cool. Man, this could get addicting really fast. These kind of games are dangerous. Are they good for society? I don't know, but I know they're fun. Oh my goodness, my health is going down so bad. Oh, that sucked. Let's drill again. All right. No. Okay, I guess I should get it. I got coffee. Okay. Everybody needs coffee, even in space. Gimme! Stop. I don't know why I'm holding the mouse down. You can take a break. Okay, good. You can take a break. All right. Oh my. Let's see here. Okay, I got some pretty good cash actually. All right, let's go to the map here. Man, that's really pretty. I love these graphics. It kind of gives me like a mix between Earthworm Jim and StarCraft. I really like it. All right, ooh, got ourselves a crate. What was that? I want to know what it is. Oh, the music's changed. It's kind of like lo-fi now. I like it. Lifeless ball of dust. I've used up all my cash. Let's head on back to level 1 here. And we're going to drill one more time. See what we can find here. Nope. So you got to be smart about which ones you're drilling. So I think these are the softer ones, the yellow ones here. Yeah. This would be a great mobile game, I think. Look, you can cheat. Stop. Give me that multiplier. I'm about to die. Oh, there was a 20% health right there. Oh, man. Well, at least I got 935 cash total. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so this is fun. I like this game. I love seeing indie games make it onto Kickstarter. That's my sort of traditional route that I take. And so I love supporting Kickstarter campaigns. So guys, if you thought this game was interesting and maybe something you like to play, click the link in the description and support Pete and the studio that made this game. That would be really, really awesome. And remember guys, there's also a playable, not a playable character, but a character named Pete, and that's Pete from Neversong, the game that I just released on console. And that character is gonna be in this game when it launches, if the Kickstarter campaign is actually fulfilled. So we'll see. All right guys, take it easy. Bye.